do you know MBTI?
Yeah.
Oh, really? What's your MBTI?
My MBTI is rated SPG. Striktong patnubay at gabay.
Oh,
Magulang.
What about yours, Justin?
Nag-iisip ako ng joke eh. Hindi. My MBTI is INFJ.
Oh! I don't know that, but just O. But my MBTI is ENFP. P.
actually, my MBTI is INFJ.
Oh, we're
Yeah,
same.
same. Yes, right. So I'm shy guy.
Yeah. Introvert.
Hala, meet. I just changed it.
Introvert.
I changed it to I'm INFJ also.
Okay. I got it.
Yes.
Wow.
What is the meaning of ENFP ba? I think it's ambivert. Ambivert? Justin, sabi nila dito, need mo na daw matulog. Huwag ka na magpuyat.
Bakit?
May gig ka bukas?
Meron. Okay lang.
What time?
Hapon pa.
Ako nga, may shooting ako, 6 a.m. eh.
Hindi ka na matutulog.
Matutulog ako, syempre.
Bonik,
Pero na yan, no?
Esnir will not sleep tonight, so you should give her love and support. So you say, kaya mo yan.
kaya mo yan. What is a kaya mo yan?
Like fighting.
Kaya mo yan.
Yeah, kaya mo yan.
Kaya mo yan. Arling Marina is your friend, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. She is live streaming now.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
She is the mother of all.
Charot.
Ba't nagsasend ng ganyan-ganyan ha? Huwag magsasend ng ganyan-ganyan sa akin. Kuya Benedict ha?
Mother is murdering.
Yeah. Actually, it was very nice that I'm honored that I got to live with the Single Infernos cast here and also a boy group cast. Thank you.
But
Ano ba yan? Mga wala kayong reaction?
Yes. I am also so overwhelmed and happy to be with
Ate Jenny, thank you.
yeah.
Jenny's here. Justin, you know Ate Jenny?
Yeah,
Edsu?
the tissue.
Yes, she's here. Ang cute ni Wonik, nakakainis.
Oh. He said you're kyokta.
귀엽다. I know 귀엽다.
Si Justin din, no? Justin, magkamukha na kayo. Actually.
Ano ako eh? Peke. Peking kimchi.
Oh, kimchi?
Oh. Yes. You like Korean? Of course.
Alam ka naman hindi.
I like Korean food.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What's your favorite food in Korea?
Rapoki.
Oh, really? I think this is spicy, but you can?
Sorry?
Ano sa akin?
Tteokbokki is spicy.
Yeah.
Ano sa akin ramen?
You can have spicy
Yeah.
food, right?
I can, but after that, I'll just stay in the bathroom.
I got it.
Ano pang magandang pagkain na medyo hindi normal?
Me, I like samgyup.
Buuin mo, hindi niya magigets.
Oh, yes, samgyupsal.
Oh, really? Oh, 삼겹살, yes. I also like 삼겹살.
Nito, I also like you. Ay, joke. Samgyeopsal. Yeah. Jajampong? Pangit naman ng jajampong. Parang naririnig ko yun.
Jajangmyeon.
Jajangmyeon.
Yeah, with what's that yellow radish?
Yeah, right. Jajangmyeon with yellow radish.
Yeah, jajangmyeon with what do you call that?
Radish in the shade sunflower.
So what is the some?
Tamuji.
Yes, right. Radish is tamuji.
Me, I like kimbap.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What
But
is
I
the-
like Kim So Yun more. Oh, you mean pickled radish?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, what is the favorite famous food in Philippines?
It's near. Ay,
Oh, me. Aside from me,
Oh, as near. Okay, I got it.
yeah, it's your new favorite now, right? Right? Ala, hindi siya nag-agree. Adobo. Adobong manok.
Adobo.
Adobo. Yeah. Adobo is our famous food here.
Oh, adobo.
What's your favorite Filipino food, Justin?
sinigang. Oh, no. My favorite Filipino one is sinigang. I also like sinigang.
Sinigang. Sinigang is like ramen, right?
No.
Soup.
Soup, but
Kwitsaw yung ramyun namin, kwitsaw.
it's like what food is it?
Sinigang is like, it's like,
Galbitan. It's like
ramen.
Yeah,
It's,
yeah.
it's like ramen.
Flour
But,
soup. Flour soup.
without noodles.
Yeah. Soup, like soup.
Yeah.
yeah, it's like ramen, but left for 3 days in the table. Sour. Yeah.
Sour.
Sour.
Our favorite Filipino dessert is tanghulo.